Plumbing in the bathroom. We had to remove all of this piping here in order to be able to put drywall on the ceiling in the bathroom over here. So this was where it was all removed, and as you can see, we have all the white plumbing, everything. We sort of talked about a bit about that yesterday, but in the bathroom here we had to take everything off in order for the strapping to go on and for the drywall ceiling to go on properly. On the other side over here, the laundry room, because the bulkhead is here, we can do a drop ceiling and hide the thicker stuff over there for your air conditioning unit and whatnot. So on that side, we don't need to move everything around through and move it up through the joists. But on this side here, we've had to cut through floor joists and whatnot, and to be able to get the plumbing around everywhere. So that was all the work done. We're still working on it, of course, but some of it was done yesterday. And so we'll need a small upgrade for that, for removing all that piping and rerunning the water lines for the bathroom here. So I'll have that information in the paperwork. Thank you.